Spaghetti grilled cheese. Now, the first thing we want to do is take some of that extra cold spaghetti and put it in the microwave because we're going to mix some mozzarella cheese in there. Now, we are going to be using garlic salt, but you could use garlic powder if you wanted. And we're also going to add some dried parsley flakes. We're using half a stick of butter and half a teaspoon of garlic salt. And about a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. We're going to use a nice 5-grain Italian bread that we got down at our local public supermarket, and we're going to put it in the toaster so that it stays nice and firm with all of that cheese, spaghetti, and spaghetti sauce on it. Now that the spaghetti is nice and hot from the microwave, we're going to go ahead and add some mozzarella cheese. And since this is a spaghetti grilled cheese sandwich, we're going to mix it up so that we have a 50-50 mix of spaghetti and mozzarella cheese, because you can't have too much cheese. Okay, now that the bread is nice and toasted, we're going to go ahead and put our garlic butter spread on both sides of the bread. Putting it on the inside helps it fuse with the spaghetti and cheese, which enhances the flavor of the overall sandwich. Next, we can turn on the heat and start to assemble our spaghetti grilled cheese sandwich right in the pan. We'll go ahead and add a generous portion of the spaghetti and mozzarella cheese mix. After we're satisfied with the amount of spaghetti that's on the sandwich, we can add some provolone cheese. Now, obviously, one slice of cheese won't be enough. We're going to add 2. Then we want to take and lather up the other piece of bread with that delicious garlic butter spread. We want to make sure that we put it on both sides. Then we want to place the bread on top of the sandwich, and in about 90 seconds, flip it over. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to eat this delicious spaghetti grilled cheese sandwich. Thanks for watching.